Damn, a nigga stuck right now, I'm on my back right now. Caught a young boy slipping bad, you got me on my 10 toes. Got me feeling like I can't even trust a bitch now. Supposed to be my ride or die, my gangster bitch, what happened, huh? Hey, young boy. It was just yesterday when we was chillin' cool. It was just yesterday that I was into you. Everything was cool, yeah, everything was great. I used to feel love, now all I feel is hate. A nigga gave you his all and this the game you play. I would've died for you, I put that shit on everything. But never trust a bitch, just like my mama say. I just wish I would've listened when she told me that. And every time you fucked up, I kept on coming back. But I put it on my grave today, I'm done with that. I don't need this shit, I gotta go and stack my money. And when a nigga fell off, he started acting funny. I should've opened up, I should've seen it quick. I can't believe my best friend who you was creeping with. All this pain make me never wanna love a bitch. All this pain got me trained for next relationships. I used to see you special, now you just a basic bitch. Every time you feel like shit, I believed in you. And you never gave a fuck when I needed you. So now my heart froze, something like them freezers do. You a good liar, babe, though I give you that. And everything I said, I wish that I can take it back. I still cannot believe this shit, I gotta face the facts. I can't believe this shit, man, I fucking hate your ass. I should've listened when they said I couldn't save your ass. But you had me catching with that pretty face you had. You got me in my feelings that I shouldn't have. Our love slipped away, it's something that I couldn't grab. All the shit you did is something that I couldn't grasp. And it's killing me, all the shit we could've had. All the time wasted, all the tears shed. Look at what this fucking relationship did. It turned me to a savage, a cold-hearted ass person. And I don't know what's worse, that I'm the one that's hurting. And you over there okay, living without any worries. Why can't you acknowledge that you fucking played me dirty? I used to chase a dream, now I'm chasing a brick. 10 months down the drain, trying to chase me a bitch. And money don't compare to the time that I spent. All the time that I wasted, I'll never get it again. Nigga, never again. Nigga, word to my kin. Scars in my back from my backstabbing, that's bitch. That's 1 year down the drain that I could've got rich. I still love her though, I don't know if that'll make sense.